Hey guys, welcome to Sustainable Stace and Backyard Abundance. The whole idea of this video is to give you a series of chapters that are going to help you every step of the way. And the steps that you're going to be taking if you choose to accept this mission are going to be a way to simplistically break down what to do, starting with a small piece of yard, maybe front yard, maybe backyard. I'm calling it Backyard Abundance. You've got a blank slate. It's a patio, it's a parking spot, it's a piece of grass, and it's not really meeting its fullest potential. And you want to unlock the opportunity for yourself to be a food-producing crazy person. You want to get some food for your family or for yourself. You want some healthy food from the healthy soil for yourself. So I've sketched out a little piece on our property. It's 6 paces this way and 7 paces that way. So, 6 or 7 meters each way. If you did the math and got really particular about it, it's less than 1% of an acre. It's about the size of 2 parking spots in a lot of parking lots. So we're not talking about a lot of land here, but we're talking about a lot of potential. And what I want to do with you is break down step by step how to start with choosing a spot if you've got a selection, or optimizing the one you have in terms of like exposure to the sun and how you're going to address all sorts of factors that are going to make you the most successful, most productive urban gardener, urban farmer you could be, and do it as simply as possible. The basic goal here is we're going to make 3 raised beds. In those raised beds, we're going to put some soil, some compost, set them up with irrigation so watering's easy. We're going to set them up with ground cover so the soil's protected and you don't have to do any weeding. We're going to make a plan on what goes where so that it makes sense. What loves the sun, what's going to block the sun for the other plants that love the shade, so that all that pieces together. There's going to be a place to do some composting as well, and it'll be critter free, I promise you. There'll be a way to keep out the deer, keep out the squirrels, keep out the rabbits, and probably for the most part keep away the slugs the way we're going to do this. And I'm not going to use any chemicals. It's going to be completely organic. It's going to blow your mind. Every single video chapter is going to give you the option to take one topic at a time. With that topic, there's going to be a clearly stated goal, like how to pest proof your garden. We're going to take you through the steps of what to do so that you understand how to do it and why you're doing it. And you're going to come out at the end with a recap knowing that's how I critter proof my garden, if that was the chapter you're watching. When it comes to planting, we're going to tell you what to plant, when to plant it, where to plant it. Obviously, it's going to be relevant mostly to where I live on the west coast of North America, but many similar climate zones will match up. We're going to give you a way to grow stuff through the winter if you're exposed to fairly mild or temperate winters, how to put a garden bed to sleep for the winter if you don't want to grow anything, how to finish off the season with some garlic ready to harvest the next year. So your mission, if you choose to accept it from Sustainable Stace, is to grab hold of the garden game plan, take a blank slate, turn it into Backyard Abundance. I hope you come along for the ride. It's going to be crazy, crazy satisfying.